Today we talk about how can you delete account uh, on your RetailMeNot app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down here, click on account down here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on profile, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go above edit profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, just click here on delete account. So then here you give them a reason here. Then you just go down, click on delete account, then it's going to delete with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.